Friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a stock up price for paper at Walgreens for $2.11 each, which is a really good price point considering they're about $5. So there is some significant savings right here. Now, in case you guys missed it yesterday, I went to many Dollar Generals. They had the start of their quarter sale. Now, the quarter sale is from the 21st right till the 27th. And then on the 28th, it becomes the 10-cent sale. But there are so many shoppers that are probably going to go to this event. Many of us have been dealing with really bad snow. So if you have been dealing with that as well, I'm pretty sure your store probably has a lot of stuff left. I would definitely try and get there by the weekend to see what they have. And if you want to watch this video of my haul, I will link it at the very end. And after my IBOTTA rebates, I got this haul for free. So that's how great the sale is. Okay, back to the subject at hand, the Walgreens paper deal. So this is going to be done curbside because we are going to use some discount codes to go with. What a curbside deal means is that you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check. Okay, so we have two different deals on this subject matter of the paper. The first is with this booster. This booster is a 7 back when you spend 30. This is of a one-time use, so if you used it like earlier in the week, unfortunately you can't do this deal, but if you were like, I don't like any of the deals, just make sure you have this loaded and you can do this deal. Also, if you might have these two manufacturers, make sure that you have them both loaded. Unfortunately, I did another paper deal last week. I've been really trying to stock up on paper this January in my stockpile. With everything going on, I just don't want to see paper prices increase a lot. So I'd rather have a nice little stockpile, especially if you have a lot of pets. That paper towel is like, paper gold, literally, if you're cleaning up after your animals every other day. Okay, so we're also going to go to Swag Bucks, and they're Swag Bucks for each, which is $1. So there's one for the paper towel and one for the toilet paper. So please make sure you have these. I know that Checo 51 had dollar rebates, but they have since vanished on that app. But Swag Bucks still has these two. So make sure you have both of them loaded for this deal. And ask the cashier to process your order through a regular register so you get a receipt to submit it to Swag Bucks. Let's not forget that. So for this transaction, I threw in 5 of each, 5 toilet papers and 5 paper towels. If you wanted to go heavier on one and not the other, or get a different amount, by all means go for it. And this is on a buy one, get one 50% off, and that's just automatic savings, whatever you're adding to the cart. So 10 altogether. And I also recommend you go to the store right away because this is going to take up a huge amount of space in their little photo counter over at Walgreens. There's a promotion code pickup15 and I'm saving $5.65. You get 15% off of a $25 plus purchase. And the toilet paper is, in fact, participating with this. So how lovely is that? The overall total for this magic is $37.50. Pickup 15 is melting off $5.65 curbside pickup tax. So the total here is $33.76. Now, to answer a quick question for the spend 30 get back 7, even though $5.65 is coming off, you're still at that $30 mark, so you're fine. And the Scott coupons, if you have them, they are manufacturers. So even though the numbers look like you're dipping below 30, it's still fine because those are manufacturer coupons. It's the pickup 15 code that you have to really pay attention to. So you're going to pay $33.76 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $7.37. Hang on to your receipt, photograph it for $2 back from Swag Bucks, and it makes this deal like $2 and some change per unit of paper, which is a really good price point. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 2, and this is if you just want to use plain Jane Walgreens cash. You don't want to do a big basket. Put 3 of the Scott products in your basket for $12.50. If you have those dollar coupons, obviously 1 toilet paper, 1 paper towel, and then whatever the third you want it to be for the Swag Bucks rebate. And you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a receipt. Okay, just to show you guys, using the code WAG10, $1.25 of savings. And yes, that is in fact working with these paper products by Scott. I don't think it was working earlier in the week, but now it is for whatever reason. So I'm grateful for that. The overall total is $12.50, $1.25 coming off with WAG 10. And then if you have those $2 digitals, it's obviously going to dip your balance below a little bit more. You might have to add something else as a filler, just to note that. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.93. And then get your receipt. Ask the cashier, please process this through a regular register, and photograph your receipt to Swagbucks for an extra $1 back or $2 back, whatever you may have. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.